Merseyside Fire and Rescue Service is an internationally recognised innovator of modern, advanced fire and rescue delivery. From leading-edge communication systems, data management and technically enhanced response capabilities, to special rescue innovations and comprehensive community partnerships, Merseyside are always at the forefront of change. As an organisation, therefore, MFRS are committed not only to continual skills and technology development for its teams, but also to a deeper understanding of the environment in which they have to operate. When you think of dynamic firefighting, you tend to think of water, in many ways the key weapon in our arsenal of firefighting techniques, and it's often the main image the public has of a firefighter in action. But in reality, water, especially in the heart of our cities, is a scarce and expensive commodity. And the damage that water can do to property and the environment in the process of putting out fires can be severe.
Water damage is quite a large part of firefighting, and what we try to do with the small fires units is try and minimise it as much as we possibly can.
One of the problems we find as a fire and rescue service is problems with our water supply. Any technique that uses less water to fight the fire means there's less water damage, there's less water to turn to steam, there's less water for us to carry in our fire engines, there's less water that's polluted running down the drains. So the use of less water is quite a fundamental idea in the 21st century.
CAFS stands for Compressed Air Foam Systems. The water foam and air mixture of CAFS provides a better firefighting media because it has a higher surface tension than water. CAFS is unique because of its firefighting qualities and also its environmentally friendly attributes. It provides fast fire knockdown, ease of use for the firefighter, and also is environmentally sound.
The compressed air foam system, CAFS, has greater fire suppressant qualities than water. Compressed air added to a water foam mixture gives the unit more projection energy, and the mixture can smother a fire more effectively than foam. Water is supplied to a mixing manifold, where 0.5% of Class A foam concentrate is injected. Compressed air is then added to the mixture, ready to be discharged through a standard straight bore branch nozzle. The resulting fire knockdown power is evident.
It's a lot thicker. It's still just as light and just as flexible to use to get around the car. Obviously, because of the heat of the fire and you've got to get quite close, it does allow you that flexibility to move about.
The wet and dry range of CAFS is used for fighting different types of fire. For example, dry foam would be used to adhere to buildings to prevent burning of adjacent buildings, whereas wet foam would be used for interior attack purposes.
And it's more efficient because there's less water, so therefore you can see better. And the way CAFS extinguishes the fire drops the temperature in the room very, very quickly. So it's safer, it's more efficient and it's more comfortable. But most importantly, if we reduce the amount of water we use in firefighting attack, we can reduce the damage to the property, to the home of the victim of the fire.
Because of the radiated heat, the reduction in the radiated heat, and you certainly weren't working as hard as you would be with water alone. So yeah, it did certainly afford me greater protection.
And this helped us knock it down quite quickly and maintain the blanket to help protect the firefighter as well.
Compressed air foam system reduces the amount of water you actually need, it reduces the water damage to the property. It's a fantastic tool for knocking down a fire quickly, for aggressive, safe attack of a fire. We want to make firefighting as efficient as we can and as safe as we can. And CAFS provides a very, very comfortable but very efficient approach to firefighting and makes the firefighting environment far more safe than it currently is.